Yo, what's up, everyone? This video is for back-end engineers, platform engineers, or API developers that need to discuss rate limiting strategies with US clients or coworkers. Today, we've got a list from our man Talha Aftab. He is a senior full stack engineer, over 7 years experience, based in Pakistan. You can see he's got over 8,000 followers. So if you want more content like this, be sure to check him out on LinkedIn. We're going to jump over to the graphic here to get a little bit better view. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through these terms and show you how I would pronounce them with my natural American pronunciation. So here we go. Fixed window counter. Fixed window counter. Sliding window log. Sliding window log. Sliding window counter. Sliding window counter. Token bucket. Token bucket. Leaky bucket. Leaky bucket. Concurrency limiter. Concurrency limiter. So there you guys go. That's how you can pronounce these terms in a way that will be easy and clear and comfortable for the American listener. So now that you can move forward with your communication in the workplace a lot more effectively, and you just boosted up your English.